Hello guys, in today's video I want to teach you guys how to solve a BMW 2010 model e46 that the compressor is not powering on. I've been working on this car for like 6 hours trying to figure this out. Most of the wiring diagram that I have is not quite very resourceful as I thought it could be. I've checked every different fuse here. The fuse, I'm going to show you the fuse that are related to it, so you check it when you're troubleshooting this. Now let me take you a little bit further. Here I have my digital voltmeter. I hook up the ground to the ground and the positive power to the outlet where it's supposed to be going to the compressor, because the power is not going to the compressor. Now before this, I have test run the compressor with the power and it's working very fine. Now there are other relays over there. Initially I thought the relay is going to be here. Some of the car model, the relay is going to be here, but based on what I've found so far, I can't find the relay down here. Now let me teach you how to troubleshoot this like a boss. First of all, we'll go over to this wiring here. I want to check the color code of this wiring, then we cross-reference it to every relay we're going to be finding inside the system. Whichever the corresponding one, I will show you what it symbolizes, and that is what you should use to trace the power source. So find your own power, your own wiring, and find where the wire actually connects. Now for this one here, you can see it's a black wire with a gray tracer on it. So I'm gonna be going ahead to go inside and show you where you need to go for the 2000 model with the car on, with the multimeter hooked up, as you can see right there. So we're gonna go ahead and tear this place down, this whole place down. I have to remove this one. You have one screw here, one here, one here, one here, one here. Then you have two underneath. When you lose it, then you need to drop this down. You have 10 bolts there, then you have another 10 bolts. The others, you have a latch on top here that hook it here and here. So you need to pull it forward for it to unlatch. Now among these 4 relays, this is the relay for the AC compressor. Now there could be a problem with the sockets, I don't know, but when I touch it right now, I'm gonna start getting a signal right there that's gonna start going up. So let me go ahead and touch it, and so you see right there, that's 11 point something volt, 10 volts right there. So that power should be enough to actually power the compressor right there. When I leave it, it's gone. So all I need to do is to press this. So you need to find a brand new relay and diagnose this socket very well. The wire which you're talking about, the black with stuff here, is actually this one, which you can see right now here, the black with the yellow, with a gray and a ash. So that is what you need to find. That is actually connected to the compressor. So whichever relay that owns it is the one that's controlling the compressor. I'll catch you guys later.